Hi, so it's like 4 or 5 days after my last video. It's a Saturday today and it's finally travel day. It's gonna be a long road trip. I will be sleeping all through, maybe not all through. I will be sleeping for the most time because I haven't had enough sleep. Yesterday I finished work at about 6:30, do a little packing before going to bed, and I was up again early this morning. So yeah, we will be heading out in the beach. Let me know in the comment section if you want to guess where I will be heading to for holiday. I am looking forward to it. I am so excited, and of course I'll be bringing you guys along. So yeah, let's head out. No makeup on, just sunscreen because it's gonna be a long ride. Back is full.
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die.
Hey guys, so this is like 3 or 4 hours later and I am tired. We've been sitting down for that long and we just stopped at KFC to use the restroom. Like I literally had to ask James find somewhere to stop because I was losing it. Like we've been sitting down for that long. But anyway, I got some snacks and we're gonna continue the journey. It's 1 more hour until we get to Armidale, which is going to be our first stop before we continue to the final destination tomorrow morning. So yeah, that sign says Armidale, heading this way. So yeah, we will be heading off in a bit. But yeah, it's really cold here, very different from the weather in Queensland. It's starting to feel different already. Looks very quiet, looks like a really quiet city. And yeah, let's keep going. Road trips are not my best things to do, guys. Like I would rather fly. Are you team use a flight or team road trip?
We can fly now, so baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute, parachute. 1 time.
Hi, so we're finally in Armidale. We're gonna be spending the night here because it's a long drive to the final destination. I'm gonna show you what the room looks like inside. It's really cold here. It's so different from Brisbane. But yeah, I will show you what the room looks like in a bit. I'm loving how the lights just make this place very bright. Okay, it is actually very cold. I'm not sure why it is this cold. Like it wasn't this cold in Brisbane. It is so cold here in Armidale. I really want to see what inside looks like. Hey guys, so we finally figured out the lights, and like I said, we will be staying in Armidale for 1 night. This is what the room looks like. There's like a note here, and welcome to White Lanterns Motel, and there are like 2 Easter eggs and towels. Yeah, we'll be staying here for 1 night, and I feel like it has all the basic things we need. So the bed, some paintings on the wall, chairs for comfort, chair if you want to study, and then there's some books here as well which you can pay for if you want. I think it says $20 for 1 book if anyone's interested. TV and a mirror and your coffee table, tea table, toaster, microwave, the wardrobe, the fridge, an ironing board, the door to the exit, and the bathroom in here. Yeah, pretty much has all the basic things. Like I said, it's just for 1 night because the drive to the final destination is really long. So yeah, I'm really tired. been a long day. Like, road trips are not my favorite thing at all. Like, I can confirm that road trips are not my favorite thing. But yeah, it was nice. The view was amazing. There were lots of mountain views. We drove through farms and I really liked it. I enjoyed it. I slept for a bit as expected, and I think I watched the movie on Netflix until we got here. So yeah, I'm just going to try and have a bath now. It is really cold. I don't know why it is so cold here. Like, Brisbane isn't this cold at this time of the day, but yeah, it's really cold now. So I'll probably have a warm bath and then have a rest, and tomorrow we will continue our trip to the final destination. Can't wait to tell you guys where it is. All right, so we've just brought in a few boxes, and like I said, I'm gonna go have a shower, have dinner, and then I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Okay, it's been a really long day, guys, but I am looking forward to this holiday. Totally looking forward to it.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know.
So, change of plans, guys. We decided to come to Coles to quickly get some things that we can nibble on for the night and probably use for the rest of the trip tomorrow morning. I will look for some cheese because I need cheese. And some lemon biscuit. Where is it? Lemon. Yeah, definitely getting one lemon biscuit. This is like my favorite biscuit to get. So I'll go find some water and I'll find some cheese and I'll see what else James is picking, and then we'll head back to the accommodation.
The next day.
I got you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, 'cause I just don't know.
Hi, Faith here. Good morning. So we've just had breakfast and we're about to head off to Sydney. Yes, we're going to Sydney for holiday, and it's been a 2-day road trip. Well, today's the second day and we will be heading off in a bit. If you're heading to Sydney and you plan a road trip, it's advisable to break the trip into like 2 days. So we stayed in Armidale. This is White Lantern Motel. We stayed here for like a night and it's been good so far. The room is really small and cozy. Breakfast was yum. It's the fluffiest scrambled eggs I've had in a while. It has all the basic stuff like I showed you yesterday. So if you're looking for a place to stay and you are considering Armidale as your stop, definitely check out White Lantern Motel. I loved it. It's not so much, but it served the purpose and it was great. I'll just give you a quick 360 of what the room looks like again in daytime, and we will be out of here in a bit. So when you walk in, the toilet is just on this side, and then a quick span, the bed, the bedside lamps, 2 big chairs, an eating area, the TV, mirror, microwave, toaster, kettle, a cabinet, and there's an ironing space and a fridge as well. To also notice, Armidale is 1 hour ahead of Brisbane. Sydney basically is an hour ahead of Brisbane. So while it is 9:47 here, it is definitely 8:47 or 8:48 in Brisbane. Okay, so take note of that. Beautiful morning in Armidale. Thankfully it's quite sunny, so hopefully we can get to Sydney in about 4 or maybe 5 hours, or even 6. And yeah, I'll show you guys the view, of course, when we get on the road. So this is what White Lantern looks like during the day.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand.
6 hours later.
Hi, so guess who is finally in Sydney, and I'm totally loving this apartment.
Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be down on my drink at this pace.